How to link domain to website in GoDaddy. The first thing that we need to do is load up the GoDaddy website. Click on your name in the top right corner and then go into My Products. Now here from the products page, we'll scroll down until we see Websites plus Marketing. Click on it and find your subscription where you have the website editor. So for me, it's going to be the last one, and we want to click on Manage. Now here from the page that loads, we will find our website to the side, and we just want to click on Edit Website. Now here from the website editor in GoDaddy, we have to select Settings, and you will see an option Connect Domain. Once selected, you can find a domain here which you want to use, or if you already have one, you can just search for it here. And if you have a domain outside of GoDaddy, you can select this option, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.